Born at the worst possible time, Bimo's world is a puddle-turned-prison, drying up by the minute. He fights for every breath, dodges hungry predators, and races against time before his world disappears completely. Driven by survival, his body undergoes a desperate transformation, growing legs and lungs to escape the mud. With one final explosive leap, he abandons his aquatic home, aiming for a new life on land. He wins the race against drought. From hundreds of eggs, Bimo is one of the few to transform and survive.